In today's video, I'll show you how to set up a password and a PIN on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So to do this, what you have to do is just go to your search and search for settings. From the past matches, you'll find settings. Just open this up. And after settings is opened, on the left-hand menu, you'll find an option called accounts. Just go inside this and scroll down a bit. And under account settings, you'll find an option called sign in options. Just go inside this. And inside sign in option, you're gonna find a lots of ways to sign into your account. There's facial recognition, fingerprint, PIN, security key, and password picture. Whatever you want, you can set it up from here. But for now, we're just gonna focus on password and PIN. So to set up a password, just go to password and expand this section. Then from here, just click on add. From here, to create a new password, you must enter a new password. So just enter a password over here and confirm the password again at the second line. And if you want a password hint, you can add it over here. Then if you get your password wrong, it will show you your hint. And that's basically it. Then just click on next. Oh, you must enter a password hint. So I'm just going to enter a hint for myself and click on next. And after that, it's going to show you a screen confirming that your password has been set. You can either click on finish or cancel the action. I'll click on finish. And there you go. A password has been set for me. I can go ahead and change it from here. Or I can move forward and set up a PIN from here as well. So as you can see, the PIN option over here, I can just click on it to expand it. And I can click on setup. Always make sure to already have a password before you set up a PIN, because if you don't already have a password, it's not gonna allow you to set up a PIN. So have a password, then go ahead and click on setup for PIN. Then it's gonna ask you to enter your password. Just enter your password over here and click on OK. And after that, it's gonna open up a set up a PIN dialog box for you. You need to put in a new PIN over here, as well as confirm the PIN again over here. If you want, you can also include letters or symbol. And if you want, you can also view the PIN clicking on the eye icon over here. And you can go ahead and check out the PIN requirements over here as well if you want. I have already set my PIN. It's a numeric PIN. I'm happy with that. I'll just click on OK. And there you go. The PIN has been set as well. If I want, I can click on change PIN to change it, or click on remove to remove my PIN. But I'm happy the way it is currently. I have already set up my password and PIN. And basically, that is how to set up password and PIN on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.